Ndugamano gatagati ka gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja na MCAs za kiama kia UDA yambĩrĩirie gwĩthegea hĩndĩ ya wamũrani wa maminista thirikari-inĩ ya Nairobi. MCAs makiuga Sakaja nĩendereire aria megiritanagia na ngwataniro ya Azimio wamũrani-inĩ ũyũ.
Members of the fourth estate, welcome.
Ndugamano ĩno rĩu ĩkĩonekana gũthiĩ na mbere. Rĩu MCAs aya makĩmũkĩrĩra nĩ kwaga kũrũgama na ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza igana kwa igana, makĩenda Sakaja atarĩrie mũrũgamo wake wa kiuteti.
And we want to appeal to him to respect the people who elected him, to respect his party leader. We are also aware that he is short of challenging the party. And as a party, we are telling him, if he wants a challenge, we are welcoming him to a contest. We are going to compete, and it's not going to be easy.
Sakaja nĩerĩga kũnyita mbaru rĩciria rĩa ngeithi gatagatĩ ka mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto na mũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio Raila Odinga. Mĩario ĩno ĩkĩraraka MCAs aya rĩu makĩmũria tige kwĩingĩrania na uteti ũtarĩ na kiguni kuri mũingĩ.
The president clearly stated that we are where we are in our country's economy because of the previous handshake, and he has no intention of doing the same mistake that was done by the previous regime. And therefore, just to advise the governor to concentrate on the mandate that the Nairobians elected him to do. Service delivery, let's do projects within the wards.
Ohono mamukuruhanĩtie na micemanio ĩrĩa ĩrathaganio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja ya kũregana na maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kĩhĩtũku. Rĩu makĩmwĩkũĩra gũkorwo arĩ ũmwe wa arĩa maraheanire mbeca cia mũcemanio wa Kamukunji mũthenya wa ira.
We would like to remind him that we are aware that he facilitated the planning of that meeting. He donated Charter Hall on Sunday afternoon, where groups were meeting during the day, that we are appealing to him not to wear a yellow t-shirt during the day and a blue one at night. He needs to come out clear. We are aware that he did not just provide a venue, that he financed it. And money was collected at his private office at Riverside. We are aware and we are watching.
Yesterday I also heard during the Azimio rally, he was congratulated for having being a darling to them and having given them slots in this Kenya Kwanza county government work leadership, or rather the CECs and chief officers, at the expense of the Kenya Kwanza coalition.
Hamwe noguo arugamiire ya wadi no mekiriire ngaja utongoria wa Sakaja kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi magĩtarĩria ũkunderu wa ũngania wa marĩhi ma parking mwena mathoko marĩa maugite maikũrũkĩte na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 75.
More than 6 months after he was elected, there is no single project that is ongoing. There is no road that is being constructed today. There is no pipe to distribute water to the people of Nairobi. Revenues are going down. Parking has gone down by 50%. Nobody knows where half of the money that the people of Nairobi are parking vehicles and they are paying, nobody knows where that money is going. In our markets, the revenue has dropped by 75%. Nobody knows where 75% of the money that the people of Nairobi are paying is going. And we are telling him we are watching.
Shun away those visits to Busia and everywhere else. Let's see him on the ground launching projects. We want to see him launching roads. We want to see him launching water projects in the slums.